Hey, what's up guys, it's JB. Today I've got a custom Saberforge Bastion. This was powder coated by Steven Gained from Laserforge. I believe, I forgot what design this was. If you see my post, please comment the design that you named it. It's a really nice saber, very shiny. I installed a Nano Biscotti version 3 in here. It has a Goth 3D chassis. The LED is a green, blue with red flash on clash. It has the bass speaker holder as well, so it has the 2-watt bass speaker. Of course, it's got the 18650 rechargeable battery. I just went with the normal black momentary switch because this saber is something to look at and the light will just distract it. So I just went with the black, so it's a really nice finish. Everything's matching. Oh yeah, he also picked up this from his order from Laserforge. It's the custom blade plugs by Laserforge. This is just the Rebel insignia. So it's really nice. I got one of those myself. So yeah, let's fire it up and test out the sound fonts. This is Frozen Wind. Super loud. The swings are very in tune with the sound effect of being out in the frozen wind. There's the red flash on clash. Super bright. Very loud. You can hear the swings. And the other sound font is Wind, so you can hear the boot up.
Let go your earthly tether. Enter the void. Empty and become wind.
Very similar sound fonts. Super loud. So let's put a blade in, see what it looks like. Alright, this is Cyan. So there you go. Very bright saber. Here's the red flash on clash. Again, I'm under these bright lights, so it will look very different with the lights off. There it is with the lights off. There's the cyan color. And with the other fonts. Also, when you turn it off, it has the cool time off from the font. So everything's set up accordingly. Super bright. Yeah, so Garrett Yusun, your saber's completed. I hope you enjoy this. It's been a really fun install. Thanks guys.